Hi y'all, so today we're going to be doing a dessert, keeping it simple. We're doing monkey bread. For this we got some brown sugar, some butter, some cinnamon, some regular sugar. We got a couple cans of buttermilk biscuits, the non-flaky ones. But before we get to baking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so in a gallon Ziploc bag, we're going to take 1 cup of sugar, also going to take 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, want to go ahead, close this up, give it a good shake. Then we're going to take all 3 cans of our biscuits, and we're just going to quickly quarter them. And we're going to drop them into our cinnamon sugar mix. I'm going to go ahead and close this up, and we're going to start giving this a good shake. Now we have a lightly greased bundt pan, and we're going to start spreading our biscuits around. And now that we got our biscuits in there, we got them spread around evenly, we're going to go ahead and move to our stovetop real quick. Okay, so in a medium saucepan, we have a cup of butter that we are starting to melt. Okay, once it's most of the way melted, we're going to go ahead and add in half a cup of brown sugar. We're going to want to stir this until that sugar is all dissolved and it's mixed evenly. Once all the brown sugar is mixed in and dissolved, we're going to go back over to our bundt pan. We're just going to drizzle our sauce. And then once we have that all coated with our syrup, we're going to go ahead, throw this in the oven, 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes until this top becomes dark brown. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so now it's out of the oven after about 40 minutes. We're going to go ahead, let this cool for about 20 to 30 minutes before we dump it out on our serving platter. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, after about 30 minutes, we went ahead and dumped it on our serving platter. Now it's ready to serve up, and just pull it apart and eat it as you go. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.